Hello, children. I hope you all are good. So, children, as it is Monday today, so you are having English period. Okay, and today we are going to do picture composition. We are going to do picture composition. So, now, children, what is a picture composition? A picture composition involves writing sentences based on a picture. It means you have to write sentences based on a picture. You will be given a picture, okay? And you have to see the picture carefully, and then based on that picture you have to write few sentences. The things that you see in that picture, you have to write few sentences on those pictures, okay? Now, what are the steps you have to follow to write a picture composition? The steps that you have to follow to write a picture composition are: first, you have to observe the picture carefully. When you will be given a picture, you have to see the picture very carefully. Then, observe the things and actions you see. What you have to do then? When you are looking at the picture, you have to see the things and the action on that picture that you see in that picture. Okay. Then note down your observation as points in logical order. Then what you have to do? You have to write the points and note down it whatever you see in that picture. Okay. Then imagine the scene and try to frame sentences. Then you have to imagine the picture in your mind and write the sentence. Try to frame the sentences based on the picture. Okay. Then select a suitable title. Okay. You have to select a title which is suitable for the picture. Okay. Then write the title at the top as the heading. Whatever title you choose for the picture composition, you have to write that topic at the top. Okay. Now let's see the picture. Look at the picture, children. It is the picture of a garden. It is the picture of a garden. Now, children, what all things you see in the picture? What all things you observe in the picture? What are your observations? Now, sun, 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 grass, flowers, birds, children. How many children? 4 children. Cat, dog, ladybug, clouds, ball, mushrooms, butterflies, slide, swings, ladybug. Okay. Now children, what is ladybug? Can you see here a small red color insect? That is a ladybug. That is a ladybug. What are mushrooms? See here you can see a mushroom growing. So that is called a mushroom. Okay. These are the two swings. These are the two swings. And this is a slide. This is a slide. Okay. Now children will frame some questions and will reply to that questions. Okay. First of all, how is the day? Look at the picture. How is the day? It is a sunny day with some clouds in the sky. Children, you can see the sun shining in the sky, isn't it? Yes, and there are also some clouds in the sky. So, it is a sunny day with some clouds in the sky. Okay, it is a sunny day with some clouds in the sky. Okay, next, where are the children playing? Come on, tell children, where are the children playing? Yes, the children are playing in the garden. The children are playing in the garden. Okay. Next, what are the birds doing? Children, you can see birds also. Yes, what are they doing? The birds are flying in the sky. The birds are flying in the sky. What is growing under the trees? Now, children, you can see here two trees here. Can you see? And what is growing under one of the trees? You can see a mushroom growing here. So, what will you say? A small mushroom is growing under one of the trees. A small mushroom is growing under one of the tree. Okay. Then, how many butterflies are there in the garden? How many butterflies are there in the garden, children? There are 3 butterflies in the garden. Yes, children. How many butterflies are there in the garden? There are 3 butterflies. See, 1, 2, and 3. 3 butterflies are there in the garden. So, there are 3 butterflies in the garden. Then, what is the girl doing, children? Can you see a girl there in the garden? Can you see? Yes, a girl with pink pants and 2 ponytails. You can see. What is the girl doing? The girl is enjoying her ride in the slide. She is in the slide, right? So the girl is enjoying her ride in the slide. Who is sitting on the toy duck? Where is the toy duck, children? See, this is the toy duck. The color of the duck is blue here. So, who is sitting on the toy duck? A boy is sitting on the toy duck. Who is sitting on the toy duck? A boy is sitting on the toy duck. Okay. Then, children, can you see flowers in the park? Can you see flowers in the park? Yes, we can see few flowers in the park. See, here are few flowers in the park. So, yes, we can see few flowers in the park. Okay. Now, what is the boy in blue pants doing? See, here is the boy with blue pants. Yes. So, what is the boy in blue pants doing? The boy in the blue pants is playing with the ball. The boy in the blue pants is playing with the ball. See, he is playing with the ball, right? So, the boy in the blue pants is playing with the ball. Now, what is the boy in the orange t-shirt doing? Come on, children, can you see a boy here in the orange t-shirt? Yes, this is the boy with the orange t-shirt. What is he doing? The boy in the orange t-shirt is enjoying his ride in the swing. The boy in the orange t-shirt is enjoying his ride in the swing. Okay. Then, who is sitting on a plant? Who is sitting on a plant, children? See, here is a plant. And who is sitting on that plant? Yes, a ladybug is sitting on a plant. A ladybug is sitting on a plant. Okay. Now, children, we have learned few question and answers. We have done few question and answers here. So now we are going to write the composition. Okay. Now look here. We will name the topic of this composition as in the garden. In the garden. Okay. Now we are going to write few lines on this picture, based on this picture. Okay. Now first one, it is a sunny day with some clouds in the sky. It is a sunny day with some clouds in the sky. Number 2, the children are playing in the garden. The children are playing in the garden. There are 2 big trees. You saw the picture, children. How many trees were there? There were 2 big trees. So, you will write, there are 2 big trees. Fourth one, there are few birds flying in the sky. There are few birds flying in the sky. There is a small mushroom growing under one of the trees. There is a small mushroom growing under one of the trees. Sixth one, a girl is enjoying her ride in the slide. A girl is enjoying her ride in the slide. Seventh one, a boy is sitting on a toy duck. A boy is sitting on a toy duck. We can see few flowers in the garden. We can see few flowers in the garden. The boy in the blue pants is playing with a ball. The boy in the blue pants is playing with a ball. 10th one, the boy in the orange t-shirt is enjoying his ride in the swing. The boy with the orange t-shirt was swinging. So, you will write, the boy in the orange t-shirt is enjoying his ride in the swing. Okay. The 11th one, a ladybug is sitting on a plant. A ladybug is sitting on a plant. 12th one, there are 3 butterflies in the garden. There are three butterflies in the garden. Okay, children. Now these were the sentences based on the picture. Let's revise it once again. In the garden. It is a sunny day with some clouds in the sky. The children are playing in the garden. There are two big trees. There are few birds flying in the sky. There is a small mushroom growing under one of the trees. A girl is enjoying her ride in the slide. A boy is sitting on a toy duck. We can see few flowers in the garden. The boy in the blue pants is playing with a ball. The boy in the orange t-shirt is enjoying his ride in the swing. A ladybug is sitting on a plant. There are three butterflies in the garden. I hope you have understood all the sentences of the picture composition. Yes, children, revise it again and again. Till then, take care.